and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. So if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Also follow me on Instagram at Ananya Shetty Official for regular updates. Today I'm going to talk about productivity techniques that will help you get more things done each day. The fact that I have a side hustle, which is YouTube, trying to be consistent on my social media handles, pursuing my soft skills training and image consultancy course, all of it with a full-time job, clearly needs some productivity skills. So let's get started. Let me dive straight into 3 techniques that will help you increase your productivity. The first and the most obvious one being the to-do list. As the name suggests, to-do list is the list of things you make in the beginning of the day, and as you accomplish each task, you mark a tick or a check. The idea is every time you check a box, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and also motivates you to check more in the list. But there is a small twist in the tale. Let's imagine one of the to-do list during the lockdown. To-do list for a day: cooking, cleaning, laundry, water plants, call a client, create content for the website, shoot a video, read a book for your child. Now if you look at the list, you have ideally finished 80% of the task from the list. However, they are not going to help you move the needle towards your goal. This is because all the work that you have done does nothing to your business. We have a tendency to pick easy ones and are trapped in the illusion of checking things off to feel productive. It took a while for me to realize that I'm fooling myself, because when I look at my list, I checked off all the unimportant tasks which did nothing to my goals. Brian Tracy, a celebrated author and a trainer, in his bestseller Eat That Frog, mentions that you have to pick the most important task for the day and get it done. He refers to the important task as an ugly frog, and he also mentions that when there are more than one important task to accomplish, pick up that ugliest frog and eat it. The second rule for productivity is the Pareto Principle, which is the 80-20 rule, which is popularized by Richard Koch in his book 80-20 Principle. The principle says, the majority of what you want comes from the minority of what you do, meaning 80% of your success comes from the 20% of your actions. Take a moment and check this out for yourself. Make a list of activities that you do in an entire day. From the list, look at number of activities that you do to actually achieve your goal. It's generally 20% or sometimes even less. Breaking news, we are busy being busy and not productive. So now, instead of doing random stuffs every day, let's focus on doubling that 20% of the task to get maximum results. When we all have 24 hours in hand, how do some people get more done than others? The secret is to prioritize your most important goals. There's a quick activity that I want to share with you. Do this with me, trust me, it's going to help. Take a pen and a paper and write down your top 25 goals you want to achieve before you kick the bucket. Could be anything under the sun, from traveling the world to baking a cake. Now apply the 20% rule. 20% of 25 being 5. Pick top 5 important goals from the list and write them down separately. Apply the 20% rule on the top 5 goals, that is 20% of 5 is 1. Pick top 1 most important goal out of the 5 and write it down separately. Now you have arrived at the most important goal of your life, so congratulations on that. For the next 1 year, if you focus all your attention on attaining that one goal, if you leave no stone unturned and give it your all, trust me, nobody can stop you from achieving that goal. The final tool is to stick to your time cycle. We all have certain times of the day that we are extremely productive, and then there are certain times of the day that we are not able to focus as much as we normally do. For some people, it's the early morning or the first half of the day that they are able to get more things done. In that case, pick up the most important task for the day and get things done there. You can schedule the unimportant tasks like answering the mail, the phone calls, the household chores in the afternoons. Some of us are night owls. We get extremely creative and productive during night, so pick whatever works for you. Understanding this cycle can be a game changer. You will know exactly when to sit down to work for maximum results and when to relax. This will help you save a lot of your time and also get things done effectively. These were the top 3 productive tips that has helped me over a year now. So if it works for me, it's going to work for you as well. I hope this video was of some help. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite productivity tip that you practice. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.